Oh, it's morning. I guess I better get up. I am so sleepy, but sadly, I have to get ready for the day. And it's also summer, so the kids are gonna be home all day, every day for 2 months. And I'm gonna have to be with them for all those days. I better get ready for the day. Let's get ready for the day. I'm off for like quite a bit of time. I'm off for this weekend. So, and then I go back to work and do everything. So I'll be out of work for like these 3 days, and then I'll just go back to work while the kids are at home. And we have every other day off, and then some days are gonna get babysitters, so that'll just be great. But I'll just go get the kids up, and I'll get Michael up so that he can make breakfast, and I'm just gonna go wake up the kids after that. Michael, it's time to get up. Already? It's summer. The morning comes so fast during summer, and that's the sooner we have to wake up and do stuff. Yeah, but it'll be fun. I like spending time with the kids. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna go make breakfast since it's my turn, and I'll just feed Olivia while I'm in the kitchen. Sounds good. I was gonna go wake up the kids anyway, so yeah. You can go start making her bottle. I'll just make our bed real quick. Okay. Summer. Okay, the best part is when I finish making breakfast, we still have a little bit of time to watch TV, Olivia. Ain't that right? I thought we were bonding, but I guess not. Let's just go make you a bottle. Alright, let me just make the bed. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna go get up the kids. Okay, I'm just gonna go wake up Claire first, because you know she always wants the bathroom first. Claire, get up. Get up, Claire. What's going on? Is it school? I thought it was summer. It is summery, so it goes. Doesn't mean you can sit around like a lazy bug all day. But why can't I? Because there's so much to do, like go shopping, go with your friends, hang out, go to the beach. Wait, we should totally go to the beach today. I'm not driving to a beach when we have one at our house. Yeah, the one at our house. We should totally go have a swim day. Wouldn't that be fun, right? I don't know why I gave you that idea, but like that's too much work, and it's just only the first day of summer. We could do something else, like inside but outside of the house. No, but you said I needed to be out of bed, and I'm not gonna leave until you let us go to the beach today. Please, it's literally at our house. We don't have to go anywhere. Please, 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 please. Fine. I hope the triplets don't want to go to the beach today. Well, of course they will, but thanks. Alright, just get ready, okay? I'll just go wake up the triplets. Triplets! Get up, get up! It's time to get up. Oh, I don't want to. Me neither. I don't want to get out. I don't want to get out of bed either. I just want to sleep. It's summer already. Oh, well, if you want to sleep, I guess we're not having a beach day. What? A beach day? We were gonna have a beach day? Oh no. Best believe I'm about to get up out my bed right now. Me too. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Ow. Oh my gosh, are you okay, Mikey? No, I forgot my glasses and I fell down the stairs. Oh my gosh. Why do you always do this? Just leave your glasses by your bed. Like, why do you always leave them down here? I don't know, because I don't want to put them on my bed. I have no space up there. Well, you might have to get the bottom bed now for now on, because I can't have you falling down the stairs like that again. No. Oh, yay! No, please, Mom, no. Okay, well, we're gonna have to build you a shelf or something to keep your glasses by you, because that is dangerous. Okay. Anyways, guys, let me get your swimsuits out for you guys. At least it's early, so it won't be that hot. So, here's your swimsuit. But first, you guys get dressed and then go brush your teeth, because Claire's in the restroom, I think, and she's not gonna be out until you guys take the time to get dressed. So you guys can just get dressed and yeah, meet us on the second floor, because we have to get dressed still and we have to eat breakfast together. Okay, I'm so excited. Let me get dressed. Me too. I love my watermelon floaty. It's so delicious. How is a floaty delicious? That doesn't make any sense. It does to me. Well, mine is so cool because it's blue. And that's the color of my glasses. And like, it's so awesome. Yeah, and you have the baby floaties. We have the cool floaties, and we don't need these. These are just so we can float. You just a baby floaty because you don't know how to swim. But yes, I do. I do know how to swim. I just need a float because I'm not a big back like both of you. You called us a big back? Mom said stop calling us a big back. Yeah, she already said that. That's not funny. Well, you guys need the floaty so you can float, and I need these because I can't think because I'm too tiny. Ever. You always call yourself tiny, like that's so annoying. You're annoying. No, you're annoying. You annoying. Are annoying. You both are annoying. You annoying. You annoying. All of you are annoying. Now stop yelling before we not go to the beach today. You guys are doing too much. You have this fight every single day. Like, you guys are all annoying. Just admit it. Hey, we're gonna tell Mom you call us annoying. You just called each other annoying. You're getting mad because I called all of you guys annoying. Doesn't make sense. Yes, it does. Whatever. I'm gonna go downstairs before you guys, so I don't have to listen to this shenanigans. Hey, wait for us. We don't like taking the elevator alone. Ugh, whatever, scary cat. You guys are such scary cats. Leave us alone. Yeah, leave us alone. Ugh, whatever. Okay, let's go find Mom and Dad. I think Dad already made breakfast. Whoa, that looks amazing. Yum, pancakes. I love pancakes. Me too. Me three. Just in time. These pancakes look so good. You guys need to sit down. I've been waiting for you and I just can't wait any longer. Alright guys, have a seat. This is so good. Okay guys, you can't eat too fast because if you eat too fast and you get a tummy ache, you're not going in the water. Oh, so eating slowly is best, I guess? So good. Anyways, while we wait for our food to digest, we need to get to all our precautions like sunscreen and bug spray. Oh, why do we have to put on sunscreen and bug spray? Because sunscreen, you can't get burnt in the sun, plus it's not good for you to be in the sun without any sunscreen. You could get a sunburn or worse. And bug spray is just because it's really optional, but I doubt any of you wanted to get bit by a mosquito. Oh no, nah, not me either. Alright then, I'm gonna go put these dishes in the dishwasher, and you guys, I'll be right back to. Alright guys, come on to the living room. Alright everybody, you can go sit down until it's your turn. But you can't sit back on the couch because I don't want the couch smelling like sunscreen. That is such not a good smell. I guess you're first, Claire, since you're not sitting down. What? But I don't want to put on sunscreen. It smells bad and it burns. It burns my eyes if I get some in it. Well, I won't get any in your eyes, okay? Just hold still. Fine. Ready? Oh my gosh, that was a lot of spray. Well, I have to get every inch of your skin, okay? Next. That smells so bad. Alright, close your eyes. Next.
Don't mind the sirens.
She does the rest of the kids. Alright, well I guess it's time to go outside now. So fast. You thought that you weren't getting any sunscreen. Well, guess what? You are. What? No, but I'm not a kid. Yeah, but not just kids need sunscreen. Adults do too. So, yep. Here, let me hold it. Aw. I'll put you on the couch. Come on. No! Please. You better close your eyes because I'm going to start spraying. This is so funny. Fine. That was too much spray. How come you didn't spray the little ones that much? Because they're not as big as you. Anyways, that's all. Now, who wants bug spray? Me. This stuff smells way worse than the sunscreen. You guys are not even scared of it. If it keeps the bugs away, we're fine. Okay, I'm just gonna spray all of you guys at once. When she's done. Alright guys, time to go outside. Olivia? I washed my hands now so I can hold you. Alright, come on guys. Are you Leo? No, I'm a big boy. Plus, I want to run into the water. Okay. Let's go. Coming. Yay, I'm so excited. Me too. Alright guys, you can go ahead and start playing. I'm just gonna sit on the porch with Olivia because we don't need to be in the sun. Okay. Come on. Alright, come on kids. I'm gonna get in the water with you guys. Yay! I actually need to do some fishing, so I might as well start up the boat later. Okay. Whee! Oh no, it is too shallow right there. My feet are literally touching the ground. I'm going on this side. Whee! Wow, this is so fun! Woohoo! Cannonball! Wow, that does look cool. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Cannonball! Wow! Me next. Cannonball! Wow, that looks so cool. Ellie, why didn't you do a cannonball? Because I don't know how to swim. I forgot. That's so funny. Hey, what's going on? Well, they're laughing at me because I haven't learned how to swim yet. Hey, why are you guys being mean? You don't laugh at people. But remember when you guys didn't know how to swim? You guys were so scared. And you guys didn't you didn't even go in the water. Hey, why did you have to say that? We're not scared anymore. It doesn't matter. She's younger than you. You guys would have been so embarrassed if she learned to swim before you guys. It's kind of sad, actually. So leave her alone, okay? Fine, whatever. Well, sorry, sissy. It's okay. Okay, let's play together. Yeah. My job here is done. Let's go over there. No, this way. Okay. They sure do get on my nerves, but I love them to pieces. Oh, this is so fun. Hey guys, let's play Marco Polo. Ooh, yes. Okay. I'll be Polo, you be Marco. Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Now I'll be Polo, you guys be Marco. Whoa, that's gonna play Marco Polo with us? Sure I will. I'm the best at the game, a matter of fact. Ready? Let's go. Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Hours later. Kids, it's getting pretty late. Do you guys want to do s'mores now? S'mores? Yes! Let's do s'mores. Yeah, let's do s'mores. Oh, okay. I'll go get the stuff from the house. But first I have to go bathe Olivia. So I'll be back in like an hour, and it should be dark enough to get s'mores after that. Okay? Okay, Mom. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, I'm just gonna... Do you kids want to build the greatest sandcastle of all time? Yeah! Alright, let's do it. Alright, who's gonna be our scooper of sand? Me. Okay. Oh, but I want it to be the scooper of sand. It's okay, you can be it next time. Here you go, Sissy. You can be the sand scooper this time. Thank you. Thank you, brother. No problem. Oh, that was nice. Okay, now who wants to collect shells for our sandcastle? Me! Alright, go collect some shells. And you and me, we're gonna do the biggest job of all. Building. Yay! Okay, I'm just gonna be in the water. Cannonball! Backflip! Spinning nail thing. Yay! An hour later. Yay, this is so fun. Yeah. Alright, kids, it's getting a little dark, so you guys can't be in the water anymore. Claire, you too. Okay. Sorry, guys, but it's getting a little too dark, and I don't want any sharks or something. Alright, everybody, I got the s'mores. Yay! Yay! S'mores, 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 s'mores. Just in time. Guys, I'm gonna get the fire started, so you have to back up. Okay. Alakazam, a bippity boo, a bippity boppity boo. Yes, look at my magic. Whoa! Alright, guys, I have marshmallows on a stick, or I have some s'mores. So, who wants a marshmallow on a stick? Me! I think your marshmallow's getting a little burnt. It's fine, this is how I like it. Oh, I think my marshmallow's done. For sure. Oh, Olivia. I think she's a little cranky because it's her nap time. I'm gonna go put her to bed, so I'll just leave all these treats for you guys. Alright, guys, pick what you want. I want s'mores. Me too. Me 3, me 4. Alright, guys, here's the crackers. Yum, this looks so good. Okay. Wow, these look so good. Yum. They continue eating s'mores and stuff. Well, you guys, I'm just gonna go on my boat and fish. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me get my boat started and get onto the sea. Perfect. Right, there you go. Perfect. Alright, let's go. That boat is so cool, but it's so loud. Yeah, for sure. It's getting really late. Let's go inside. You guys have to go to bed to eat dinner. So let's go inside and eat. But what about Dad? Let's just not tell him, that we're eating dinner. It's okay because his boat is really loud and he's keeping the baby awake, so he is gonna have to figure out that we're inside already. That's funny. Yep, don't tell him. Alright, let's go guys. Get in the house. Two hours later. Whoa, I caught such good fish. Ha ha. I caught this huge trout. Hey guys, look what I found. Guys? Guys, where are you? Guys? Hello? Is anybody over there? Did you guys leave me out here? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this roleplay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what video I should do next. Also, comment down below some questions for my Q&A video that I'll be posting. And let me know which roleplays you would like to see next. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!